You can use commercial toilet cleaning tablets for convenience, but they do not replace targeted manual siphon jet cleaning when dealing with persistent mineral and organic buildup. Tablets that sit in the tank or bowl continuously release detergents and mild acids that reduce fresh deposits and surface staining, and they can slow future buildup when used as directed. For true siphon jets that feed cleaning action under the rim, you should first inspect jet openings for visible blockage, because chemistries alone will not remove scale lodged in tiny orifices. Use a small flexible brush or a length of coated wire to clear jets. Then run several full flushes to confirm flow restoration. After that, place a tablet if you want ongoing maintenance. When cleaning interior metal parts, avoid prolonged contact with strong acids because they can pit surfaces and damage rubber seals. So follow manufacturer dilution guidance and rinse thoroughly. For stubborn mineral rings, soak a folded cloth with a diluted bleach and water solution where safe. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Agitate gently with a brush and flush repeatedly. Do not mix bleach with acidic cleaners or ammonia at any time. If you have a septic system, choose tablets formulated for septic safety and schedule periodic professional inspection if tablet use is your primary maintenance method. 3 common mistakes are relying solely on tablets so jets become permanently blocked, using incompatible chemicals that produce hazardous fumes, and neglecting the seal and flush components until a major failure occurs. Regularly inspect and mechanically clear jets so tablets remain effective. Never mix bleach with acid cleaners and ventilate when cleaning, and include a quick monthly check of flapper and fill valve function to catch slow leaks early. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to give contractors a place to find work and promote their services. We also host a discussion community where users share real experiences, product tests, and practical maintenance tips that complement the guidance above.